Welcome to Home of Math. Exponential equations. Last video we had completed A to D. This video we are starting from number E. Number E, 25 equals to 5 to the power z minus 4. So in right side base is 5. In left side we will also make base 5. How? We know 25 we can write 5 square, and here is 5 to the power z minus 4. Here base are same, then power will be equal. 2 equals to z minus 4. So we can write z equals to minus 4. Here is minus z and minus 2, right? Then minus z equals to minus 6. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, it will be z equals to 6. We can write multiply both sides by minus 1. Okay, our answer is z equals to 6. So number E done. Now number F. Number F, minus 1 by 2 times 6 to the power m divide 2 plus 3 equals to minus 8. First we have to out this minus 1 by 2. That's why we will multiply both sides by what? Minus 2. If we multiply by both sides by minus 2, like minus 2, then 6 to the power m divide 2 plus 3 equals to minus 18 times minus 2. Okay, then these 2 and these 2 out, minus and minus plus, so only we can write 6 to the power m divide 2 plus 3 equals to minus and minus plus, so 18 times 2 it will be 36. So 6 to the power m divide 2 plus 3, and here 36 we can write 6 square. Now look, both base are same, left side and right side, therefore we can write m divide 2 plus 3 equals to 2. Why? Because we know a to the power m equals to a to the power n, base are same, so m equals to n. So here m divide 2 equals to, here is 2 and this plus will become minus, and 3 plus 3 become minus 3. Now m divide 2 equals to minus 1, so m equals to minus 2. Okay, this is our answer. Number G, 81 to the power k to the k plus 2 and 27 to the power k plus 4. So 81 and 27 has a relation. What is this? 81 we can write 3 to the power 4 and to the power k plus 2. Similar, this 27 we can write 3 to the power 3 and to the power k plus 4. So 3 to the power 4k plus 8 equals to 3 to the power 3k plus 12, right? Now we can write, here base are same, so power will be equal, 4k plus 8 equals to 3k plus 12. Now look, 4k, this 3k will become minus 3k, and here is 12 plus 8 will become minus 8, right? Then 4k minus 3k it will be k, and 12 minus 8 it will be 4. Okay, so our answer is k equals to 4. Number G done. Number H, 25 to the power 1 minus 2x minus 5 to the power 4 equals to 0. This one first we can do 25 to the power 1 minus 2x equals to this minus 5 to the power 4, we can write plus 5 to the power 4, right? This 25 we can write what? 5 square and to the power 1 minus 2x equals to 5 to the power 4. Then we can write 5 to the power 2 minus 4x equals to 5 to the power 4. Why? We know a to the power b to the power c equals to a to the power b times c. Here we also doing this one, just we multiply. Now look, here both side base 5, so once base are same, power will be equal. 2 minus 4x equals to 4, then 2 this one we can write minus 4x, and 4 these 2 will become minus 2. Now minus 4x equals to 2, then we divide both sides by minus 4, so x equals to minus 2 divide 4, 1, 4 divide 2 means 2, so our answer is x equals to minus 1 divide 2. This is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. No more today, we are doing 4 math. Next video we will start from I. So first video we did 1 to D, number 1. This video we are doing E to H, this is number 2, and next video we will start I to L, it will be number 3. So if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.